Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. If you see this steam, I have my humidifier going, and I have my fan going. So if you hear that, I'm sorry. Otherwise, so I've been in the healthcare field for 8 years now. I started in 2013 as a CNA, and I've been disappointed. I've been angered, but nothing beats this past week. And yesterday was just icing on the cake. So I'm not even going to get into my actual, well, who knows. So yesterday, rooming patients like normal. Now, mind you, before we room patients, the front desk asks patients, have you been screened for COVID in the last however long? Have you been exposed to anyone with COVID in the last however long? Are you having such and such symptoms? Everyone gets asked these questions before we room them for our safety, their safety, everything. Yesterday, rooming patients like normal. Roomed one, and then went to room another, and as I'm in the room with this second patient, I overhear our provider in the room that I just did saying to the patient that he is not seeing them because they tested positive for COVID. The amount of anger and anxiety that I had at that second, I didn't think I'd be able to finish rooming the person. It's 2021. We've been dealing with COVID now for over a year. I've had my scares, but I've never been directly in contact with someone with COVID, to my knowledge. This patient knew he had COVID, but lied. Bold-faced lie. To the front desk, to me. Now, work says I should be fine because it was less than 15 minutes and I had my face shield and, well, it's only goggles now, and my mask on, and the patient had their mask on. It only takes one germ. One. I don't care if I was in the room for 15 minutes or 15 seconds. I was exposed directly. I'm angry as a healthcare worker. I'm angry as a innocent human being. For you to knowingly have COVID and just be out and about doing your thing, spreading your germs. So I don't need to be off work unless I develop symptoms, and then I have to contact everyone. But I had sinus stuff going on prior to this exposure, but I was seething at work. Like, I get it. I really do. We're all over COVID. We're all over dealing with it. And believe it or not, the healthcare system is over it too. You can have your beliefs, but COVID's real at the end of the day. It is real. It is scary. So believe what you want, but at least have the common courtesy to not put others at risk knowingly. I mean, that was just, like I said, that was just icing on the cake. And then I get told, I'm not going to say by who or who the people are, that a couple has COVID, and they think that as long as they're feeling okay, since they're both off work at the same time, that they could go on vacation. If you knowingly have COVID, stay home. It's not that hard. It's simple. Just stay home. As a healthcare worker, we're tired. We are tired of dealing with people's stupidity. Which, I mean, COVID or not, that we're going to get that anyway. But we're tired of dealing with it. We're tired of dealing with people's attitudes and people's arrogance. We're tired of wearing the mask, believe it or not. We're tired. We are tired. And it's people like these that I've talked about that just push us over the edge. So, when you go to the doctors, be nice. I mean, I get a lot of the time if you're going to doctors, you don't feel the greatest. You're not at your best. But a lot of the people that I've been rooming are there for simple things and or just physicals. Be nice. Because we're tired of it. And, you know, people could just say, well, you picked the profession. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. But I didn't pick people's arrogance. I didn't pick people being assholes. Be a fucking human being. That's it. Just be nice. Because we are all sick of it. We are all over it. We're over the face masks. We're over the face shields. We're over sanitizer. We're over wiping everything down. We're over having to screen you. We're over having to do visits over the phone. We're tired of having to do it over camera. We're tired of it. But we keep doing it day after day because we picked this position. All we ask is that you do your part in making our job a little easier.